boys and girls, so today in each box we're going to find the true equation. So we have to look at all three of these math problems and decide which ones are true and which ones are false. So let's take a look in this first box. Also, I don't know why the paper looks blue, so I'm sorry about that. Anyway, we have three problems. We have this one, 1, 2, and 3. We have to decide which one of these problems is true. So I can look at the first one and I automatically can recognize that that one is false because 4 minus 2, that's a doubles. And so the answer should be 2. So we're not going to circle that one. And I'm going to look at the second one and I automatically spy 10 friends. So 10 minus 4 is 6. And I know that's true, so I can just go ahead and circle that one. So let's look at the next box and see which one is true or false in this box. So in this first one, I can spy a doubles. 4 minus 2 is 2. So if I look at the next one, I know that 6 minus 5 is not 3. And 8 minus 4 is not 6. So I'm going to circle the top one here. So let's look at the next box. We have 9 minus 0. That wouldn't be 2. That would be 9. 4 minus 4 would not be 1. That would be 0. So let's use our number lines and check 7 minus 4 and see if that's 3. Put your pencil on 7 and hop back 4. Did you land on 3? Yep, that is the true equation. Okay, next box, 7 minus 5. Put your pencils on 7, count back 5. Is it 3? No, it's 2. 2 minus 0, is that 2? Yep, so there's my true equation. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Put your pencil on 9 and count back 5. Did you land on 4? Yep, so that is also the true equation. So I want you to push pause and see if you can figure out which is the true equation here, and then press play and let's see if you got it right. All right, boys and girls, did you choose this one? Nice job. That is the true equation. All right, let's turn it to the back. And on the back side, you have a picture to color, but first we're going to solve all of the math problems. So I'm going to get you started on this, and then you can finish it on your own. So what you do is you look through here and you solve each of the problems, and then you can go back through and color them according to the colors at the top. So if you have any questions, you can ask a neighbor and then raise your hand for your teacher when you're done, or put it in the tray on the top, whichever your teacher wants you to do.